Hey, welcome guys. In this video, we're doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Switching over to the back, you see that the box is pretty simple. Before, a lot of the Android boxes like this one, especially from Samsung, had some of the specs written down. This one is as simple as possible, it seems. Very minimalistic. Not a bad thing. I mean, you can find specs pretty much anywhere on the internet these days, right? So I guess Samsung just wanted to keep it nice, as clean as possible. So get that seal out of the way. See what we get over here. Another seal to break. So I'm kind of stoked about this phone, especially because of that in-screen fingerprint reader. I think it's one of the coolest features. If you have your phone like on your desk, instead of, awkwardly moving your face over to the camera to use facial recognition unlocking, I think it's just great to have the fingerprint reader on the front. So let's switch over to the phone, and then I'll get over to the other accessories shortly, because everyone cares about the phone, right? So those are some stickers with the IMEI number on them. So move those out of the way. Let's get some of the seals off. I'm just trying to find it for the screen, which I'm having some bit of trouble finding it. Maybe there's nothing there. I don't want to try to take something off and then ruin the screen. As some people might have heard about the Galaxy Fold devices, where they thought there was a screen protector and they tried to remove it and it damaged the screen. So play it careful sometimes. There are some Sony Xperia devices that come with a screen protector that are not meant to be peeled off. I have tried to do that in the past before. And this is pretty cool. They give you a kind of a protective unit. Not really a case. It actually does kind of enclose most of the back, but I'm surprised they give you a clear case. Pretty nice feature right there from Samsung. I mean, they should be doing it. This phone is extremely expensive. It's not cheap by any means. So maybe they put most of the money in that little bitty protective case. Who knows? So this is an international unlocked version from Samsung. So that's why I'll have some adapter prongs available. And of course, it is a USB-C device, and it does come with a headphone jack. Just wanted to point that out there because some people always wonder about the headphone jack. So I just wanted to mention that quickly. I just realized that for you guys. Of course, there's a charging cable, some AKG earbuds. So nice touch there. Sure, the quality is great. And that's pretty much it. You can find a link to the review in the video description, as well as my social links. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.